Well, good day, YouTubers, friends, and family from across the world. This is Mike with Morning Dew, Daily Events Worldwide, and we're on August 23rd, 2018. And welcome to another surviving day on this planet in our crazy universe. Very busy place. And we are just a small blip in the Milky Way. And our solar system is going through some great changes. Across the globe, we're seeing it everywhere. Volcanic activity and earthquake upticks. Now we're just going to look here the last 24 hours for earthquakes on this map. We had 6.1 yesterday, again in Alaska. Right beside the Tanaga volcano, again. Earthquakes in Africa. Now what I wanted to show you here is the earthquakes in diverse places. Every plate line around the world. I'm going to be watching this area right here in the coming days. Those are the major earthquakes over the last 24 hours. But what I also want to show you is the last 7 days for earthquakes. 4.0 and greater. Something is happening on our planet. We're being affected by space weather. We're being affected by climate engineering. We're also being affected by a growing planet. Expanding Earth theory. I definitely will be looking more into that. But over the last 7 days, we had that large 6.2 in Oregon yesterday. Wow. We can expect more activity on this plate line, that is for sure. Cascadia, San Andreas. Stay aware and prepared, folks. Have a plan ready. Because there's been over 300 4.0 and greater earthquakes in the last 7 days. Pretty crazy stuff when you look at an earthquake globe like this and it's just riddled with 4.0 and greater earthquakes. Insane. I want to thank all my new subscribers for subscribing to Morning Dew, Daily Events Worldwide, where I post my severe weather analysis and disaster alerts from around the world, following earthquakes, tornadoes, hurricanes, and any other space weather and major events. Fires. This is overlooking BC. Alberta again is under a state of an air quality advisory. BC is under the state of emergency. Look at all these fires in the British Columbia province. That's insane. I've never seen anything like it. This is a map from NASA Worldview around the world for fires. Now I was interested, so I decided to look 1 year ago today for fires. BC was nothing like it is this year. Let's go back to 2015, 2016, 17, 18. Wow. Situation critical. United Nations have declared that we've used up all our resources already this year. It's just crazy when I'm looking at stuff like this. Stay aware and prepared. Look at all that smoke traveling across the country and across the globe, pretty much. The smoke has already been seen to reach Europe, all from the BC and Ontario fires. Here's a look at our twin typhoons who have since died and are now tropical depressions. I want to welcome all my new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, Morning Dew, where I post my research and my analysis from around the world. Also wanted to show you here, this is the magnetospheric movie from the 18th to the 19th. Right during the 7.3 earthquake, the 8.1 earthquake. Look at those anomalies behind our wind stream. Wow. That's some intense movement in our magnetosphere. I don't know what's going on. Around the world right now, scientists are talking about the brown dwarf that is coming in. They're also talking about a large comet that was heading our way. Stay aware and prepared, as these sort of things are happening now more frequently around the world. Another thing I wanted to show you was the correlation between the wind stream and earthquakes. And we're just going to look at the last 7 days. So during that anomaly, we had the 6.2 earthquake in Alaska. Then on the 19th, 8.1 Fiji. Then on the 20th into the 21st, the 7.3 in Venezuela. I want to thank you for watching today. This has been Mike with Morning Dew, daily events worldwide. Stay aware and prepared. Have a plan. Stay young and have fun. And get your morning dew. Thanks for watching today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends and family from across the world. Thanks. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends and family from across the world.